Hello. Through this video, you can understand how our ATGL project works. So here are some of the flat samples. For demonstration purpose, allow me to take flat number 84. We just have to run this code. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to execute. At the meantime, let me tell you about the objective of our project. So the objective is to get the count of bill of materials, length of the pipe, and the corresponding isometric diagram of each flat. For input, you can see here each folder, which is the flat name, has two videos. So let's take a look at that. This was our first video. So the first half of the video contains the outer area of the flat, whereas if you will see the second half, it contains the inner area. Let's see how our code is running. Okay, it will take a bit more time. Let's wait for that. As our results are ready, let's take a look at that. Here you can see that each material contains a number which is actually the count of that material. So here you can see elbow is 5. So in the flat, there are total 5 elbows present. Alongside that, you can see we have total length of the pipe in meters. This was our two objective. The third objective was to get the isometric diagram. So this is our result of that isometric diagram part. As a comparison, I can show you what was provided to us. So here is the side-by-side comparison of what was provided to us and what we are given. So that's all. Thank you.